Expressions quiz work. A test comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about jobs and work. Read a sentence and choose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. John got the sack for going on strike. A. Got a bonus. B. Got demoted. C. Got fired. Got the sack means letter C. Got fired. Number 2. Joanne told us she's between jobs just now. A. Doing 2 jobs. B. Getting a job. C. Unemployed. Answer is between jobs means letter C. Unemployed. Number 3. Sally looked at Harry and said, "What do you do for a living, Harry?" A. For fun. B. For work. C. For interest. Answer is for a living means letter B. For work. Number 4. After being a science teacher for 40 years, I've decided to hang up my hat. A. End my career. B. Change careers. C. Go for a promotion. Answer is hang up my hat means letter A. End my career. Number 5. Grandpa worked his fingers to the bone to support his family. A. Damaged his fingers. B. Work with his hands. C. Work extremely hard. Answer is work his fingers to the bone means letter C. Work extremely hard. Number 6. The manager said he had no choice but to let me go. A. Let me take time off. B. Fire me from my job. C. Let me quit my job. Let me go means letter B. Fire me from my job. Number 7. Nurses and doctors at the coalface know what's really going wrong in our health system. A. Where real work is done. B. Where management is done. C. Where policy making is done. At the coalface means letter A. Where real work is done. Number 8. If an accident happens when you're on duty, the company has to pay your healthcare cost. A. Going to work. B. Doing your work. C. A company employee. Answer is on duty means letter B. Doing your work. Number 9. In the UK, people say on the dole, but in the US they say on welfare. A. On sick leave. B. Working as an intern. C. Receiving unemployment benefits. On the dole means letter C. Receiving unemployment benefits. And number 10, last item. I've had my nose to the grindstone every day this week. A. Been working very hard. B. Been looking for work. C. Taken time off work. Answer is had my nose to the grindstone means letter A. Been working very hard. This video ends here about expressions quiz work.